Oh, I ate too many sweets, and because of my cavity, I had my tooth pulled out. Oh, I wonder what these humans are up to. Maybe I can get something to bring me relief. Oh.
What happened to you, Nana Bush?
Oh, you seen my bandage? I had a tooth pulled out today.
How come you got your tooth pulled?
I ate so many sweets and I rarely brushed my teeth, so my tooth and cavity had to be pulled out because it hurt so much. You should really listen to your mom and dad when it comes to taking care of your teeth.
Múzag cá nuchazid abatshi gziabdeon. Ego gziabdeon ahing nisiahi wibid gaziad jiz gziabdeon getnad medasa kwek yahi. Ego US skois tigain ego ishbeming gaya boaj kwibidag jigziabdeon kwek yahi getnad medasa. Ego imagaz yasad gziabdeon getnad jinanaz naman kibiding gagziabdeon getnad medasa. Ego miwediz binakun gziabdeon apta ego mayambugu iwega dujgadek. Ego ima kwibid gaunjiginid ima iznanaznan getnad medasa. Ego miwed binakun gziabdeon niganyahing. Ego iwe gagziabdeon mi mayam gestigain nisiahi gaya boaj jigazina da kwibidak. Ego gziabdeon iwe dgainakunad mi gaznawak. Ego iwe dgainakunad gziabdeon imagwech jigziabdeon gesnad medasa. Ego gziabdeon mischodas imanakehi. Ego iwe dgainakunad gziabdeon imagwech jigziabdeon gesnad medasa. Ego miwed binakun gziabdeon niganyahing. Ego gziabdeon kwibidag gaujin tawgwaj. Ego gwekyahi mayam dudan. Ego mina gziabdeon kwibidag gaunjiginwaj medasa getnad juedudan. Ego wed udanang inakun gziabdeon mayambugu ega dujgadek. Ego mayam awega dudanga gziabdeon miga dudaman. Ego iwe gagziabdeon mi mayam gestigain nisiahi gaya boaj jigazina da kwibidak. Mi iwega dudaman gziabdeon.
Okay, Nimi. Flossing your teeth is also a good way to keep a healthy mouth.
So now I know how important it is to brush and floss daily. How many times do I do it a day?
Well, floss once a day and brush your teeth twice a day.
That's right, Nime. Brush your teeth once in the morning just after breakfast and once in the evening just before you go to bed. And then try not to eat or drink anything after you've brushed your teeth, except maybe some water.
That's right. Nighttime is the most important part of the day to brush, so you can remove all the germs that have built up on your teeth throughout the day.